back to my channel, and now you are watching a 3-star hotel.
In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark reviews, amenities of the hotel and room category and facilities also.
As you can see on the screen, hotel location and very friendly by attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 8.0, which is the very good. Set of reviews is now displayed on your screen, which may address all the basic questions about this hotel.
Next, we talk about the amenities of this hotel, so you can see on the screen.
All guests will be required to present photo ID at check-in. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the hotel is first class and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. One category of room is available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several days and offers are available online for this hotel along with various meals and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. For booking or more details, check link in the description. If you are facing any kind of problem booking a room in this hotel, then you can help us by commenting. We will help you. If you have already stayed in this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed to our channel yet, then you must subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video of our upcoming hotel. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, we meet again in a new video with a new property. Be safe, be happy.